There are few things as heartbreaking for a fisherman or fisherwoman than to lose a big fish. Oh no! Especially if it's a once-in-a-lifetime trophy-sized fish. What's even more heartbreaking, however, is to lose that fish because you attached your terminal tackle to your line with a faulty or inferior knot.
No!
In this 5-part video series, I'll be sharing with you 5 trustworthy fishing knots that are fast and easy to tie, and that you can use for a wide variety of applications. This video is brought to you by the Hunting for God, Fishing for the Lord series of books. Come along on an unforgettable adventure for the soul. Learn more and order your copies today at Amazon.com by clicking on the link in the video description below or by visiting 3minutesoutdoors.com. In this video, we'll take a look at the loop knot, or as it's sometimes referred to as the surgeon's loop or surgeon's loop end knot. Whatever you'd like to call it though, it's a great knot to use for connecting leaders or other tackle rigs by means of a loop-to-loop connection. Okay, here's how to tie the loop knot. I've got the end of my line here, as you can see. I'm going to double that over, kind of like we did with the palomar knot previously. So I got one piece about, 4 or 5 inches long. I'm going to grab the end of that, kind of hold that section together. And I'm going to make a loop and tie a knot in that loop like so. So I'm just making a loop and I'm running the tag end through the loop. This line will cooperate like so. Now I'm going to run the end of that loop back through my knot once again. So basically you're just running that end of your line, that loop, through their knot twice. Secure the whole thing. Kind of pull it all together. Cut off the excess. And bam. We've got a very strong, very secure loop. So as a further example, if you want to do a loop-to-loop connection, once you have a loop tied in one end of your line, if you want to tie something else to that line or secure it to that loop, as fly fishermen often do with a loop-to-loop connection, to secure like their fly line leader to their main fly line, or bow fishermen often do this. They'll have a small piece of line attached to their bow fishing arrow, and then you can use this loop-to-loop connection to tie your bow fishing line to your bow fishing arrow. To do that, you simply tie another loop knot in the other line from whatever it is you want to connect, and then you run one loop through the other loop, like so. And then you take the tag end from that line and run it through your loop, like that. And then you gotta kind of secure it all together until you have that. A loop-to-loop connection. Very strong, very, very durable, and it's also very easy to undo at the end of the day if you want to take your line off of your leader or disconnect your bow fishing arrow from your bow line. You just undo that loop and bam, you're done. No lines to cut, you can redo it over and over again, and you're good to go. There you have it, my friends. That's a demonstration of how to tie the loop knot. In the next video, we'll take a look at the surgeon's knot. So be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out. And check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com. And finally, if you'd like to support this channel, click on the link in the video description below to find out more.